have us going down this sketchy alley. Can we admire this, please? Look at how crazy this cabin is right now. And he was the only person that I've ever been in. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my sandwich.
We got to run.
I'd like to welcome you to Columbus. Good morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today is very festive, as you guys can see, okay? Oh my god, not me doing an outfit of the day on my front patio. This is crazy. I need to stop looking in the viewfinder. Oh, guys, I got a new lens as well. What are we thinking? Is it a lot cleaner? A lot smoother? But as you guys can see today, I'm decked in a very winter-esque outfit, and you may be like, why are you doing that? Maybe because it's winter? No, I'm kidding. I am going to be flying to Ohio today. Yes, Ohio. I have never been to Ohio before. I don't really know what there is to do in Ohio, but today we're going for the first time ever.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should arrest her. Hey.
Hi, my name is Mai. I'm daily vlogging if you guys don't know, and it's like a whole family road trip. Okay, clearly no one's excited. Woo! There we go. We love to see it. Oh, they're also all decked out in winter stuff. Oh, Sterling's excited. Sterling's excited. Okay, look at it. Fit it up. Fit it up. Here we have Tavion.
Well, something.
Okay, we got Stowe.
Hey, what's going on? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Then we got Lonnie. Okay, with the neutrals. We love to see it. Look at these little shoes. Oh, they're too cute. Anyways, we leave to go to the airport in less than 2 hours, and I haven't packed yet. And to me, that seems like a sufficient can I speak English? Amount of time I have to pack. So as we can see here, I kind of just threw a bunch of stuff on the floor and we're gonna figure it out. We have a blank slate here to style the clothes because I genuinely don't know what I want to wear. But I just want to thank North Face for sponsoring this video. Yes, North Face. Oh, and also all the stuff that I'm gonna be wearing, you can shop it at Dick's Sporting Goods, those big stores that I'm sure you have in your city. Ooh, brr, I'm cold. And I'm a skier. Slay. Brr. I look like I'm ready for the slopes, y'all. This and this. We're missing something. Wait. Genuinely, these are the comfiest shoes that I have ever tried on in my entire life. I am so deeply passionate about these shoes. Oh my gosh, you guys need to try them. I do not care if you buy them. If you see this in the store, y'all need to put it on your foot. That is all I ask from you because snuggle your feet because they're like softly, fleecely lined on the inside. So when you're wearing a sock, your foot is already warm, but this just sucks your foot up and it's so cushiony. I do not care what everyone's rocking right now. This is it. And this will be it. We have like a bunch of other stuff that I need to pack up, but honestly, I am about to be late and they're about to be here, so I need to keep packing and then I will see you guys in a sec. The Uber is downstairs. We're about to head to the airport and fly to Ohio for no particular reason. Actually, there's this really sick house that I want to show you guys. It is literally beautiful, like so beautiful that we had to fly to Ohio just for this certain house. So there is something to look forward to. Oh my god. These stairs. Oh. I lost my mic. We are at the check-in right now. Right, time is currently 11:38. Our flight stops boarding at 11:35. Are you serious? But it's okay. Yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling, guys. Family vacay. Always chaos ensues whenever I travel, but it's fine. It always works out. Okay. Time is currently 11:40. They just opened up a new section. You have 5 minutes until the doors close. Wish us luck.
We got to run.
Patted me down.
They patted you down? What you got on you, girl?
They were like, your pants are too big. They made me hold them up.
No way.
I never heard of that before.
Stowe's getting stopped. Oh no. What'd you do?
The biggest crime of all.
What was that?
Brought my Nintendo Switch.
Not your Nintendo Switch.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to What's in My Bag.
Hey, this looks straight out of Pinterest right now. I feel like we're doing the movie Home Alone right now. We're like in a Christmas episode right now. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I swear Christmas music cures depression. I like don't play Christmas music, but all of a sudden this morning I decided to, and oh my gosh, it's just like they'd be like throwback songs but on a different level. Look at how big this escalator is. She really is a true Sagittarius. I'm like following behind her now. And I'm like, I love this. Usually I'm her, but I love not being her right now and just following her.
Oh no!
We missed it. Oh no, guys. Flight's closed. We really did just miss our flight. Am I surprised? Not really. Am I mad about it? Not really, because you guys know what that means? Food! Why is the airport aesthetic kind of fun? You know, like going to the shops and all that stuff? Tell me why. I used to have so much fun in the airports, but now I don't give myself enough time to have fun.
Yeah, it was a mess.
This looks like some classic American food. All right, guys. New flight. New flight. Now be trying to set up a shot. These are the comfiest shoes I think I've ever worn in my life. Did you try yours on yet?
Yeah, I did.
They're so comfortable. Y'all need to try them. It feels like it's just like, it's like a little blanket. Like it just, I got the black ones and the white ones. They just look like little pillows. Oh my god, not us lining up to board. I've never lined up to board beforehand. Columbus, Ohio. We're on the way. Thank you.
We'd like to welcome you to Columbus. Local times just after 4:30 p.m.
No way. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. The green Bronco 2022.
Look at the Christmas colors.
Guys, I literally just found this on a booking app. Literally no other car would have been more perfect for this. All right, so we have an hour drive to head to the cabin, but we need to figure out groceries because if we get there and we don't, we're not eating tonight. Look what I just spotted. Tim Hortons. Guys, we are gonna go to Tim Hortons after we get groceries. Do you guys know what it is?
What in the Montreal is that?
You've never had Tim Hortons?
Literally never in my life. Like
Guys, it's like the Canadian Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. And I'm telling you, it's so good. We're gonna get some Tim Hortons, whether you guys like it or not. We just have to. Literally so excited. What just happened?
So just landed in Ohio, you know, driving around, came out the car. I asked, hey, do you like that Bronco? And I was like, yeah, car's cool. And I said, yes, my first time in Ohio.
Anyways, first stop, Aldi. All right, we got milk, shredded bite-sized wheats, cinnamon rolls, oranges. Damn, that was the cheapest groceries I've ever seen. Aldi's, like, you killing it. They have us going down this sketchy alley. Literally thought he just drove into the ditch for a second. I thought it was a ditch too. Yeah, I thought we were about to.
I got more faith in that boy.
This looks like a intro to a horror film.
Oh god.
Yeah. The scary series, Sam and Cole.
A minute away. We made it. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, Skinny Legend. We are here. This looks so creepy. This place is so sick. Let me give you guys a tour. Y'all, my room, you have to walk up these stairs to get all the way up here. Quite a dangerous trick we got here. Y'all, just wait till you see my room. There was a reason why we flew all the way to Ohio for this place, because look at this. Ready? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? This room is insane. When I wake up tomorrow, don't talk to me. Literally. Oh my god, this is, oh my god. Wow. All right, guys, I'm gonna use my outdoor education skill. By outdoor education skills, I mean a fire station. Watch, guys. Outdoor education was my favorite class in school. Fun fact. Me and Anila, if you guys don't know Anila's like my hometown best friend. We were just so slay at it that literally the teacher let us just skip class and go do whatever we need to do, finish our homework because we were just too good. Should I do like a solo camping trip? I feel like that's very dangerous, but like, could be fun. Add some like excitement.
Yo!
Hey y'all.
So we took Ma's camera. Baby food. We looking for board games, not baby food.
Race car.
Hot Wheels, whoever's car goes the farthest.
Yeah.
Nah,
Uno.
not. Swear.
Hey.
Uno. Yeah.
Set.
Yeah.
Guys, I just checked my YouTube. Look at it. Wait, let me show you guys. It is a monumental moment today. Look at this. We hit 2.8 million subscribers.
Take me to your best friend.
I've just been sitting here.
Whoa,
yeah.
don't wait, no goodbyes. Don't wait.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for 2.8. That's literally so crazy because we just hit 2 million literally back in March. So it's so crazy that we're almost at 3 million now. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. But anyways, I've just been sitting here editing just to upload it as Vlogmas. Currently 9:45, but no, you want me to replay this?
He said it first. He definitely said it first.
Can we get a W in the chat? W in the comments for my, please? Can we get another W in the comments for another win? Third win! Guys, in my head this whole time, I was like, please let me win. I'm manifesting, please let me win. Because you know what? He literally said, if she wins for the third time, she must got really good luck. And I was like, all right, bet, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna think about it. Guys, guys, with the winter months, it's getting cold. You got to be slugging. Look at my face. You see how clear it is right now? You have to lather your face in moisturizer day and night. Doesn't matter what time it is, heavy moisturizer always. I read all my comments. Good morning. Oh my god. Look at how crazy this cabin is right now.
Oh my god, journaling, she's so aesthetic.
Let's try to head downstairs without eating shit. Good morning. Good morning. Time is currently 10:05 and I just woke up. I woke up this morning, looked at the window and I was like, oh, time to go back to sleep because I don't have my glasses and I can't see outside. But then I realized how much of a waste it is to not be awake right now experiencing this. So that hot tub later, oh my gosh. And that fire pit, y'all already know the Pinterest pictures are going down tonight. I need coffee. I need coffee. No, but like for real though, like it's not cute right now. But you know what is cute? This. Oh my gosh. Can we admire this please? This is so pretty. Y'all already know I gotta get it for the Instagram. Yeah. Oh my god, it's like I matched the seats. We made it! Tim Hortons! Have you ever had Tim Hortons?
No.
Alright, well, today will be your day. Could I get a sausage farmer's wrap, please? I'll get it a meal with a medium original ice cap.
Do you guys have hash browns?
Actually, she got the last hash brown.
Okay, can I get a nitro refresher, please?
Y'all, the farmer's wrap from Tim Hortons is unbeatable. Like, it's actually unbeatable. It's addiction. That's what it is. Thank you. Oh, an iced cappuccino. If you guys don't know, this is basically like, the best way to describe it is like a Slurpee, but coffee form. But I know that sounds disgusting, but it's really good. I used to be so obsessed with these. That one time in -25 weather, me and my best friend walked all the way. I say all the way, even though we live in a small town. We basically walked 10 minutes in -25 to drink ice caps. So good. Look at this Tim Hortons packaging. Look at how advanced this is, y'all. Tear here, you go like this, boom. Every wrap should be like that. Ugh. Wow, it's so good. Y'all need to try it. Could I just get 3 of the biggest salmon fillets? Currently, we are grocery shopping. Groceries, check. All right, today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my salmon. All right, so you have your salmon here. Look guys, this is so easy. You take some garlic powder, douse this shit in garlic powder. I know it looks like a lot, it is a lot. A little pepper, salt, and some garlic, and then rub that in. Basil, Brussels sprouts. Chef Mike in the kitchen.
You have to find somebody who just compliments it instead of somebody who has the same one.
I'm not gonna lie, I once dated somebody that was almost exactly the same as me in like a personality way and kind of in this, we did the same thing. And he was the only person that I've ever been in love with. But the thing is, it didn't work out for a f***ing reason. So it's just like we both didn't want to make time for each other. It's just that we couldn't compromise because we were both so used to people doing it for us. So it's just like so much clashing. Okay, time is currently 10:19 right now. My bad for like not vlogging, but we were talking. But we're about to go outside right now to start a fire outside at the fire pit. Literally, this was the whole entire reason why I booked this Airbnb. Like, this is cool, but the fire pit outside is just so vibey. So let's do that.
Slay!
How do you feel making the fire?
Amazing. I loved it. I learned something new today.
Morning. Oh, today's the day that we leave, but first, let's go outside.
Oh my god, we're just in the forest taking Instagram pictures.
Oh, fuck. I'm out here. Out of breath right now. Okay, what are we thinking? These are the flicks. Y'all better go give it a like. Just kidding, you guys don't have to. Just go check them out. Let's see how they turned out. Today is the last day. We are leaving the next, like, hour.